Few events in the world of cryptocurrencies are as significant and anticipated as the Bitcoin halving. This process, which takes place about every 4 years, has a big impact on the crypto market and frequently sparks heated community discussions. It's critical to comprehend the details of the Bitcoin halving and reasons behind its intense interest in order to fully appreciate its significance. So let's start with what is Bitcoin halving. The halving, or Bitcoin halving, is the term for a pre-programmed event that occurs every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years in the Bitcoin chain. The payment that miners get for confirming blockchain transactions is decreased by 50%. This procedure is intended to manage the supply of new Bitcoins and preserve their scarcity. The 2008 Bitcoin white paper, written by Satoshi Nakamoto, stated that there would only be 21 million Bitcoins available. The purpose of implementing this fixed supply mechanism was to avert inflation and provide scarcity for Bitcoin. The protocol seeks to establish a currency that has the ability to maintain or increase in value over time by controlling the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. As a result, the halving is essential in regulating the pace at which new Bitcoins are issued and put into circulation by gradually slowing down the rate of production. In 2012, the block reward was lowered to 25 BTC during the first halving event. The prize was further reduced by subsequent halvings in 2016 and 2020 to 12.5 and 6.25 Bitcoins, respectively. The next Bitcoin halving is anticipated to take place in April 2024, when the block height reaches 840,000, and it will lower the block reward to 3.125 BTC. Okay, now let's examine what happens to your Bitcoin after halving. Quantity of your current Bitcoin holdings don't change following a Bitcoin halving event, but the price of Bitcoin and other elements of the cryptocurrency ecosystem may be indirectly impacted, which is why cryptocurrency enthusiasts are so interested in it. There are some key points about the Bitcoin halving and why people should be concerned. So why is Bitcoin halving an important event? Supply and demand. With halving, the supply rate at which new Bitcoins are created is slowed down. This influences ratio of the supply and demand, which might cause fluctuations in the market value of Bitcoin. According to basic economic principles, an asset's value is likely to increase when supply declines and demand either stays the same or rises. This expectation frequently causes investor curiosity about Bitcoin price to soar. Market volatility. The cryptocurrency market has historically experienced increased volatility in the wake of the Bitcoin halving. In an attempt to forecast the event's effect on the price, investors keep a close eye on the dynamics of the market before, during, and after it. Price fluctuations and an increase in trading activity are frequently fueled by this anticipation. Effect on miners. The profitability of mining Bitcoin is directly affected by the reward halving of new blocks. The decrease in rewards may present difficulties for miners, particularly for those who use less efficient hardware and have higher energy expenses. This frequently causes changes in the mining industry, with more inventive operations continuing to prosper, while smaller, less productive miners may be forced out of the market. Investment implications. The Bitcoin halving is a significant development that highlights the asset's potential to be a store of value for long-term investors. Since the halving mechanism makes Bitcoin scarce in a predictable way, it appeals to people who want to diversify their investment portfolios and use it as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.